Dzień dobry, good afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poznan, Poland. So today the weather is changed, cloudy, and I think it's rainy a little bit, but that's okay. I'm still making a video for you and showing you how it's like. So today on Sunday I decided to go to Malta ski. Well, it's called the Malta Lakes. I think that last time we were here, but on the opposite side. But now we are in the area where, like this, so many attraction. So yeah, it's thunder little bit, but I never give up to make a video every single day for you. Yeah, basically, as you see, Malta ski, there are so many attraction. I think that we can ski later on, but I'm not sure it's open or not. Look, Tuta yesterday. So I'm here. So there are so many playgrounds and mini golf and so many things actually. So yeah, let's go. In front of me is the beautiful, the longest lake in Poznan, Poland. You see the gray sky? Yes, this is a gray sky, but we still making video no matter what. Rainy, sunny, even snow. I will keep pushing myself to make a video just for you. One thing is that wherever you go, always a beautiful, clean park. Okay, so here in front of me, look at this beautiful sand. It's look like the white sand, right? I think it's coming from the North Baltic Ocean. And I think that when it is summer will be more and more people coming. Okay, so I will zoom out, zoom in a little bit. If you remember that part, you see that's the fountain over there. We were there last week and we took the train to go to the thermal ski. That's in front of me. If you remember, that building is the thermal swimming pool. And then outside also slide, something like that, and place to chill out. And here we are now in the opposite of the Malta ski lake, Malta Lake. So yeah, it's very nice, beautiful, but yeah, if you can hear the sound of the thunder, there must be a big rain, but it's okay. We still pushing ourselves to make a video. Look at there, over there. Over there, I think that something is there, basically like restaurant, many attraction. And over there, I think during summer will be busy, where many people are going out, you know, playing volleyball. And there in front of me, you know, I think that this area is also for the kayaking and boat. And then that's for the doing the sport, I think. And interesting is that next to me is something like balloon bubble, something like that, where the children can play outdoor and not only playing on a gadget, but it's so nice, you know. People also cycling just like this. Amazing. So very family friendly spot, even though it is raining, but yeah, still enjoyable. So nice. Wow, look at this. Imagine if I have a Damian Junior. I know where to take them to, you know, stay active outside, outdoor games. So yeah, just look at this as well. Amazing. That's the fountain and that's the cathedral, if you can see from here. It's very nice, colorful playground, right? Nice. So many plat, something like this. I think that this one is regarding to the Olympiad. Wow, can you hear the sound of the birds? Look at this. Wow. And behind me, I think this one is the hotel. Yes, for those of you, if you want to stay around here and overviewing the Malta Lake, I think that's the hotel here, HP Hotel. I think that I want to buy something like ice cream. Maybe let's go back there. So I decided to stop in one coffee shop and buying one ice cream, overviewing the lake like this. So let's see. Very nice. So I paid the chocolate ice cream for the 8 zloty. with a view like this. Very nice. Basically, that's the attraction going there. I think a kind of a go-kart. And I think that one is also another active outside playground. You see? Amazing. Everything is here in Poznan, Poland. So you can stay active and stay sportive. If you are thirsty, you need ice cream. Everywhere is the ice cream shop. And yeah, what I can see that maybe because of the weather like this, not as busy as what I expected. But look at this. It must be so fun for the child and adult. Amazing. So you have to pay the ticket. Kup bilet means buy the ticket here in the kassa. And then after that, you see small child, big child, family can sit there and enjoy. Amazing. Very nice. Oh, must be so much fun there. I should really take Damian to take this one day. What really interesting place that you can spend most of your time with your family, either with your friend, you know, like young, adult, everybody can enjoy their best time here. Amazing. Bardzo polecam. This place is actually, I think that during the winter will be covered with the snow, and then people can go skiing. Amazing. And then right in front of me, I don't know what is it called. It's just like a swing. When it's on, will be around. Haha, very nice. But unfortunately now it's closed. But I think that during summertime will be open. I think that this one is another restaurant overviewing the lake. And there I can see that is the mini golf. So you can play golf here. And yes, very nice, a beautiful restaurant in the front. So let's go there. Wow, amazing. This is what I read on internet, that people in Poznan, that they always stay active and stay sportive, because actually there are so many green things, there are so many activities that you can do, basically surrounded with the green nature, just like this. Very nice. Oh, this one is Malta Yacht Club. Okay, I'll show you. So that's the name. Wow, it is literally everything is here. If you want to go cycling, stay active like those family, or you just want to walking. Wow, keep walking and walking. So basically that's the 3-calorie Malta restaurant overviewing the lake, just like this. And if you keep walking and walking, look, this one is the Park Linove. See, many green trees. Can you hear the sound of the birds? So this is actually the map. Of course it's written in Polish. So wow, this is why you will always stay fit with the lots of walking, and also lots of oxygen surround you. Very nice. Oh, amazing. That is the water fountain. Very nice. Look at that. That's beautiful waterfall. Nice river. Wow. And we walk in the green place like this. You see there are so many family, and over there is a beautiful lake. And that's also the park. Very nice. Amazing. Wow, it is a very crispy fresh air. You see I'm standing in the like close by the water, and what I see is that the water is very clean, and I think it's deep. So I read a one nice article about what are the best cities to live in Poland. So number 1 is Wrocław, number 2 is Poznan, number 3 is Gdansk, number 4 is Kraków, and number 5 is Warsaw. I agree Poznan should be the best cities to live in. You see, this is like in terms of the cost of living here, it's affordable and then surrounded by the green nature where 25% of the land is green like this, like surround me, you see. And also it is I think this one is the family friendly place, and also I read somewhere this Poznan is the friendly for the foreigners. I agree. So in the previous video, like I put, like I always feel like home here. It's just because of, in short, what I can say, I feel like first I feel safe here, and then in terms of the living and everything, it's very affordable, and everywhere you go, it seems like, you know, nobody will like touch you, nobody will harm you, and so far I feel really safe here. So right in front of me is the Restauracja Indiska, Thai and Indian restaurant, and then another ice cream shop, very nice. And this one is actually another side of the lake. You see, everywhere is green and very clean. Just right in front of me, I think that is for the kayak. So if you want to go kayak, they also provide you with so many kayak boat. And look at this, the front is the lake. So now I think it's time to go home and let's walk to the nature. Can you hear the sound of the birds? Nice, isn't it? So I spent around 3 hours actually enjoying my time in Malta ski and walking around the green forest. So now it's time to go home. Let's take the tram. You see that the sky already gonna be raining, big raining soon, I think. So yeah, I think that's all my video today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye. So we are in the tram station. We will take the tram number 8 from Krancova. We will go to the Most Teatralne. Let's go. And this is the situation. Basically the tram station. Aha, it's gonna coming soon. And we are already in the tram, and I'll show you the situation. Calm and also very clean, very nice. You see, everywhere is green.